Daddy and JM, my family. Yes. Let's see, 1, 'It's up there. So, kataas ako mamaya. Dito pa ako sa ground floor. And I'm just waiting for my drinks. Then, nauuhaw ako. Pinabili ko muna sila ng drinks. Okay? So, it's actually a bottled water because I'm very thirsty and I'd like to drink bottled water and bottled drinking water. So, later, I'm gonna be going upstairs. Nandun kasi yung GM Aesthetics. Alright. So, see you later again. So, guys, I'm about to go upstairs now. So, yes. I'm preparing for the kids because it's summertime, you know. And, nanapos ko lang mag-beach, but then anyway, never ako nagpapag-vlog ng araw kasi ang sobrang nagpipilad sa init ng araw. Alright, so anyway, so paakyat na ako, papunta na ako ng GM Aesthetics later. So, okay. So that is there coming. So, nag-restroom muna siya. Second, ano na kami, level. Right. So, yan ang pupuntahan ko, guys. Right. Girl. GM Aesthetics, alright. So, let's go upstairs. Another ladder here. Alright. I'm here now. Second floor. So ride. Alright. Hi, good afternoon. Yeah. Actually, nagpa-reschedule ako last week. So, here it is. It's Gem Aesthetics, guys. Alright. See you later. So, guys, I'm here right now in Gem Aesthetics. So, I have another schedule. So, actually, both schedules nakapagpa-reschedule ako kasi busy those two schedules. So, pinamove ko. Alright, so but now I'm here. So, here's their reception area. Look. Say hi. This is a vlog. Hello. What? Your name again? Okay, that's good. Yeah. Alright, so nice flower. Trisha, Daddy, with your head. Okay. So there, I'm gonna wait for Trisha because Trisha is the one who's gonna do the service for me. And I really like Trisha's hand. It's really very magaan and there's no problem with her hand and napamagaan niyang mag-service. Alright, so that's it. That's all for now, guys. Alright. So guys, andito na ako sa loob ng Gem Aesthetics. Mamaya-maya lang. Service na ako ni Trisha again. Right. Everyone, this is Trisha. Hi, Trisha. So, she's the one na nag-service sa akin. Alright. So here's the room na pag-servicean sa akin. Alright. So, I'm here again for another schedule. Alright, guys. See you later. Yes. Hi, guys. So, I'm here na sa servicean na ako ni Miss Tisha. Ayan. So, ayan yung equipment. Alright. And I have to wear this. Yan. Para naman ma-protectionan yung eyes ko, guys. Alright. So, see you later. So, guys, I'm done already. So, ito yung equipment na ginamit sa akin. Alright. So, ayan. Tapos na. And, minutes lang. Alright. So, medyo may pitik ng konti. Masakit konti. Pero, it's tolerable naman. Alright. So, I'm gonna be here again on my next schedule. So, hi guys. So, I'm done already with the service. So, I'm about to go home now. So, yun. And my next schedule will be on April 26. Alright guys. Bye for now. See you again on my next vlog. Hello everyone. I'm home now. So, yun. And syempre, of course. Syempre, ayan, kakain tayo ng take-out natin na pizza. Alright. Yung kanina, kasi ang dami ko actually in order, diba? So, kumain kami ng son ko. Nag-dine-in kami doon sa Angel's Pizza. And, of course, hindi pwedeng walang take-out. So, ayan. Family size is a big size actually. So, ayan. Flavor nito is spinach, green spinach, delicious. With, of course, cheese. Alright, so ayan, I'm home. Thanks God, I'm home. We're home. So, ayan. Yung son ko, nagpapahinga na sa kwarto, alright. So, ayan, naka-on agad ang aircon. My goodness. So, ako, mamaya naman ako mag-relax sa kwarto. So, syempre, magsha-shower muna tayo. And, of course, matutulog kasi tomorrow is a work day again. Alright? So, that would be all for now, guys. So, yeah, it's my birthday. Alright. This is a birthday vlog. It's April 13. Alright? Bye for now!
These are CNMB vessels deploying.
Alright. Say hello. It's my birthday.
So,
What will you say?
we
Happy
cannot
birthday, love you.
100% attribute
Okay, I love you too, Daddy.
better assessments and
Tako ni Daddy, ang daming hot sauce! So, ayan guys. So, this is gonna be my dinner for tonight, April 13th. So, ayan. I'm gonna put this Angel's Pizza Hot Sauce. So, ayan guys. Spinach, bali spinach yung flavor nito. Sarap. And, lalagyan natin siya ng